Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. It was a long day for Peter at a shop today. I presented you in the different video, the last video, the rear Fox 2.0 on this 2019 Tacoma 4-wheel drive and Old Man Emu. You guys were correcting my pronunciation of this Australian company's Old Man Emu names. Thank you. I had no idea how to say that. I kind of heard they are from Australia, but I didn't know how to say that. So I promised you the front. Front doesn't have any Old Man Emu because all it needed, the special struts, the foxes are in the back, and here we have a foxes in the front with that reservoir mounted here. So what it needed, what it took, we have a strut with the reservoir, mounting bracket, and a spacer right here for the sway bar. The end link is the same. This part is still the same, the bushing. Basically all they brought for us, it's a spacer, and here is the bracket holding that extra reservoir on the side. So I have this light here so you can see the details. I don't see any clearance issues. Very good. I'm very happy for that. I didn't put the skid plate back because I want to show you how it looks like. I will not forget about it. I will drop her down. This is completely adjustable system, as all of you of course can see. Just a beauty. This is the way it came. I tried absolute my best to not scratch anything, which I believe I have zero. I have zero here. I just finished the install and I promised you to share it, so this is what I'm doing. You guys can see it. Obviously the job is done. It will be returned to the owner, so I cannot tell you if it needs to be adjusted to match the back. I cannot tell you if that huge tire which will be here will be not rubbing on this reservoir when fully turned. This is just the only thing. I keep scratching my head how it's supposed to clear this pretty chunky reservoir. So this we will hear from him later. He keeps coming even for the simplest oil changes. Therefore, I can interview him, or I will show you around. If there will be any rubbing, we will see it obviously on the paint. So this was what I promised you. It was pretty long day for me, because if you do it first time, it takes that extra time. If somebody does that once a week, that's exact setup, it must be super easy for him to deal with it. And here you can finally see the end results of this upgrade on the front and rear suspension. As I said previously, I'm pretty impressed with this. It looks pretty good. On very short test drive around the building, just to make sure everything's fine, I didn't see any problem front wheels, front tires rubbing on those shocks. So I think mission accomplished correctly. I hope you enjoyed this video and make sure you are subscribed. I have way more coming your way soon. See ya!